between the train and the platform.
I'm going home. The gap between train and the platform. Mind 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 in the back when I play a cricket. Mind in the back when I play a cricket. I just got in. Yeah, man. Leave me alone. I just minding my own business, yo. I'm chicken time, man. I just want to get some sleep now, man. Why do I keep have to hearing this, man? I hear the same thing over and over. It gives me the fear. I don't wanna be here. Man, before you say that again,
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
just chill down a little bit. Everybody trying to mind their own business here. You're just trying to give everybody the fear here. Tonight it's my brother's day tonight. It's his birthday. And I don't want to sleep in his party, y'all. Yeah. Calm down now. We're just sick and tired of hearing this here.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Between the train and the platform. Mind the gap between the train and the train and the platform. Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Mind the gap between the train.
You can just say it once or twice, but no, a million times. Wish I could just swim out of this place, yeah? It's my brother's birthday, yeah? So chill down. Beta ji, your brother's birthday is tomorrow, not today, so chill down and shut up. What? I made this song for no reason. Beta ji, go and do your homework. Mind the gap between train and the platform. Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Mind the gap. Mind the gap between train and the platform. Mind the gap between train and the platform. Mind the gap between train and the platform. Mind the gap between train.